Can you see them? Right there. I don't know if he'll turn around a little. Oh, there we go. This guy was just in the willow tree above the pond. And we've kind of noticed that we haven't seen very many fish or the frog recently. Not sure if Mr. or Mrs. Owl here is cleaning up the pond for me in regards to my mosquito eating fish. Anyways, there's our owl. I don't know if I can get its attention. Sorry for the shaky shake. This owl has no caresies. Just feeding horses. Should we come around this way? It's looking. I've only seen the one. But you know, I'm sure there's 3 others around here somewhere. And I'm peeking around. It's like, what's that? But there's some pretty noisy birds here and there. Look at them looking. What's he looking for? I don't know if you guys can hear them, but way out there, some angry birds. Oh well, there you go. There's our owl, or one of them out of 3. If I see any more, I'll see about getting some video, I guess. Can we get even closer? Oh, phone's not bad, a little blurry. But if I don't move much, oh, not bad. Huh. I don't know if it's the same one, but this guy just flew in. It's calling out. I don't know if you can hear it. Oh, that's blurry. Darn it all. Well, he's calling. Saying, sounds like that. I don't know what these owls are doing around here. They're living here, I guess. Only on my phone, so. Oh. He's out. They're doing something over that way. So, maybe I'll go check it out. Okay, I found them. I wonder if you can just barely see. You see this little baby. I don't know if he'll turn around. Maybe, maybe not. Oh, there we go. There are 2. And then something's making some weird noise up in the tree. if you can hear that. I don't see anything. Pretty neat. There's some pretty cool wildlife around here. He's just a fluffy little guy. Hard to see when he's so backlit, but he's trying to look at me. Oh. I think there's two babies and one parent, or should there be two? Come on, phone. Need a new angle.